Hello! Today I'd like to show you how to open up a eBeam scrapbook and then add to it, move around on it, and do some other things. There's three ways to open up the eBeam scrapbook. Number one, you can click on the eBeam Educational Suite logo in the taskbar. If you right click on that, you'll see that you have a bunch of options, one of which is Scrapbook. A second way to open up the eBeam scrapbook is to go to the Start menu, go to All Programs. If you've never used it before, go to eBeam Educational Suite, and click on the scrapbook. The third way to do it is if you've already opened up the tool palette, going through the Start menu as well, you can just click on this logo right here, and it'll open up a scrapbook for you. You have to wait for a second while the scrapbook opens up. When it opens a scrapbook, it changes over to the drawing tool instead of the regular size tool. First things I'd just like to show you is how to set up the eBeam scrapbook. Right now it's in a small mode. You probably don't want it in this little tiny mode. You'd like it to cover your whole screen. Just go up to the very top right hand corner, click on the open box, and you fill the entire screen. If you want to fill the entire page, you have this little symbol down here. It's for full screen view. It's got the rectangle with an arrow pointing out. You click on that and you go to a whole screen view. If you decide, oh, nope, I don't want the whole screen view because technically you can't save or close the eBeam scrapbook from the spot, you click on the mini toolbar at the bottom, full screen off, and it takes you right back to where you are. So here's some things I'd like to show you. Using the pen tool, you can write on the scrapbook. I'm not going to write much today. I'm just going to write my name. If you, after write your name, you decide you want to, let's say you've done all the writing you want to do on this page and you want to add a new page, you come down here and you click on the little green plus sign, create new page after the current one. And so now you have two pages. Let's say on this page I want to put that just went a little crazy on me. If you don't like what you made, you come down here to the undo button, and I can just take that right off. So I go back, I make my 4, and let's say I know I'm going to be doing all sorts of 4s today. I can click on this icon for duplicate page, and it makes 3. If you look over there on the left side, I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages with the number 4 on it. To click between the pages, I can click on the top from number 1 to go back to Steve. Let's say I want to go to 4, and this one I'm going to make 4C. And if you look up there, it has 4C. If I click back to the first 4 up on page 2, I can put 4A. But it saves you time if you're just making a lot of the same stuff. If you know everything's going to have something the same, you can just click it right on there. Remember, the drawing tool works the same exact way as it did when you're just annotating the home screen. This is how you add a text box. If you want to add a text box, if you want to use the on-screen keyboard, click on here and then pull the screen keyboard up so you can see what you're typing, and you can just type your whole own name again. If you notice, I'm sticking with a theme here. There's Steve. When I'm all done, let's say I decide, you know what, I only need it up to 4C, 4D. I don't need this 4, the 4, just the plain old 4. I can click on the X and it deletes the current page. If I click on the eraser, it just clears the page. So let's say I want to clear it. Are you sure you want to clear this page? All data will be lost. Yes, I've cleared, but then, I want to get rid of it completely. I hit the X and I get rid of it completely. Now I'm just to the 5 pages, Steve, 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D. Final thing I want to show you today is how to save. If you're going to save, you click on, File and go to Save. This is the first time saving it, so I can just save straight away. And it has it saved in my Science folder. I don't want to save it to my Science folder. I want to go to my desktop. And I'm just going to save it as, on my desktop, my name, and then it says .esb. The ESB is the code for a scrapbook file. Then I can hit save, and I've now saved. I can go up to the top now, close out the eBeam tool palette. It switches back to the mouse tool because I don't have anything I'm supposed to be writing on. I just have a mouse. I could find my eBeam marquee plus name. Nope, that's different. My name, ESB, and here's my scrapbook file on my desktop. Thank you for watching this video.